Okay, the third step is to measure. You have to measure everything. So I know what size is correct for me because I already measured another thing, and I know that I like when the table reaches my lower hips, because then on top of that comes usually the sink, and the sink is a little bit taller, so I have to either bend my knees or go a little bit up in other bathroom, which is something that I don't like. So I know which type of height works for me, and now I'm translating this to my bathroom. So I know that this is the height of the table which is supporting the sink in the bathroom, in which I feel the most comfortable. So from here on, I'm going to measure 3 more centimeters because of the height of the table that I'm going to put to support the sink. And from there on, I'm gonna measure 13 more, which is the height of my sink. So this is gonna be 90. 91 is the final, height. So I'm going to stand up and I'm going to imagine, okay, with 99, I want to wash my hands or wash something in the sink or wash my hair. How would I need to position my body in order to use this height? And this is perfect for me. I think I will give it 1 centimeter more to feel even a little bit more comfortable. So you can do this calculation by actually measuring everything, measuring the table, measuring the sink, measuring the distance from the floor to the table, to the bottom of the table, and then just positioning yourself and just checking how you feel with that. And imagine things that you want to do in your sink in the bathroom. Like, for example, I really like to wash my hair, so something too high would not work for me, and something too low also wouldn't work. And of course, you can say I could just go and check standard measures. Why not? Yes, you can do that, but standard measures are for standard people, and maybe you are not a standard people. So just do your work, check your own feelings. It's always better than just following the standards. Especially in this type of thing. Okay, if you're doing electricity, don't become creative, but in things that are not serious, in the sense that could cause harm or serious accident, you have to go with how you feel better, because it won't fail. If you combine how you feel plus all the math, it's not just how you feel, do all the math and find the math that work for you, and then you can actually know where to start doing the holes.